What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm on the kick boat, as you can see. Decided to come for an early morning Tuesday morning quick fish here at Homestead Dam. My club, the Outcast Club, we are doing an online comp called Kipnet, and we weigh fish into that app, but it ends on Thursday. So yeah, I thought I'd come and try and see if I can leave that 4th place and jump up a few more spots. Homestead has been fishing a bit better. They are pre-spawning here. A lot of them are starting to prep nests and get onto nests and all that, so I'm hoping I can find a big lunker or two. So yeah, let's see how it goes, and hopefully it turns out to be a good day. Oh. First solid bite of the morning, 4th or so cast, not too shabby. Oh no! Damn it. It's only small ones I'm catching.
Yeah.
All males, where are the females? Lots of small ones. Hello? So alrighty, well let's chat again later once you're back and everything, and we'll discuss. Alrighty. Cool man, speak to you later, bye. Plenty of these little males. What the hell? It's a bit of a better one, but still not big. Nah. You bastard. Another alrighty fishy. Another small one. Well guys, that's it. I fished till 10, it's quarter past 10 now. Gotta go do some work, but tried to come get a bigger one. Wasn't to be. Caught mostly on the Itties secrets, little dots, the secrets, little dots, like a little junior fluke, and then one or two on the Itties secret baits, the fat stick. It's one of Julio's new baits, lots of salt, very nice, and caught I think the bigger fish with that, but it was still a fun little day out. I think probably caught around 10 fish, not too bad, but none of the big ones came out. Anyways, hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Catch, kiss and release. Cheers.